Be inspired to invest in the safe and secure community. Southdale Settings Nuvali. This is a 17.8-hectare residential development of Ayala land here in Nuvali. So it is a rolling terrain with up to 202 meters above sea level. Located in Nuvali South Forest Avenue, Calamba City, Laguna. It is the 5th settings project of Avida Land Corp. Good morning mga ka-home friends. This is Shay Tamang, your property specialist from Avida Land Corp. Today, I'm in Southdale Settings Nuvali, and I would like to share to you the actual deliverable unit of Macy S2 Model Unit House. Tara, tingnan natin! Starting from this side ng house, pwede po kayong mag-garden, and this is the walking path going to the entrance of the house. Meron din pong allotted na one car for the carport, and then this is the walking path going to the house. So kung makikita niyo po dito, meron po siyang shade. The purpose of this shade is, for example, rainy season, hindi po mabubulok yung wooden door nyo. And for summer naman, for example, sobrang init, meron pa rin pong shade yung inyong entrance area. This is what we call porch, na kung saan, for example, kukuha po kayo ng house key or dala-dala nyo yung mga groceries nyo, at least meron po importante na meron kayong shade para to protect the entrance door from summer and for rainy season. Tara, pasok po tayo. Deliverable na model house unit. So, as you can see, this is made up of vinyl planks, yung lahat ng mga floorings sa first floor and second floor. This is made up of aluminum windows. The size of the window is 1.20 meter by 1.20 meter. So as you can see, ito, mas malaki na yung mga windows para yung natural light makapasok sa loob ng bahay. And then, we also have the aluminum sliding doors. Ito. So, during the summer, di nyo mafe-feel na sobrang init kasi nga, very wide ang windows, very wide din ang sliding doors. And for the kitchen, we have the granite countertop, kitchen faucet, and wood laminated cabinets below. Dito naman, this is the back door entrance. You will still have space. Kasi alam niyo po, sa Avida, hindi pwede na dikit-dikit ang bahay. Meron po yan talagang designated space na 2 to 3 meters na katabi sa neighbor mo na hindi pa pwedeng idikit ito. So, you still have space, both sides of the house, sa front and sa rear po. Ito po sa likod. So, ito po yung likod niya. Pwede niyo pong gawin ito na laundry area or dirty kitchen area. Or pwede naman po na magkaroon kayo ng extension dito. Dito niyo po ilalagay yung mga cleaning materials. Pwede nyo pong ilagay dito yung mga bicycle nyo or for example, pagkatapos nyo mag-laundry, pwede nyo pong isampay dito yung mga damit ninyo. Ayan. So as you can see, ito po yung mga bahay na ginagawa na dito sa Southdale. So ongoing po ang mga constructions. Additional info, ma'am and sir, the size of the main road is 15 meters wide, and for the inner road, 10 meters wide, and for the Rotonda Road, 11 meters wide. So, napakalaki po, napakaluwag. Okay? So, dito po tayo sa ating bathroom area. Ito po yung deliverable sa bathroom. We have the lavatory, we have the water faucet, and also the shower set. Ito po. And on this side, nako-convert po ito into a study table or pwede rin po na cabinet for the grocery items. And pero din pong storage na pwede rin pong ilagay natin dito yung mga shoes natin dito sa ilalim. Ayan, nako-convert po yan into storage. Okay. For the stairs, it is made of steel. And the flooring is made of wood. Okay, let's go sa second floor. So this is made up of steel and wooden floors. Again, wooden plank po ang general flooring natin. So this house is a 67 square meter house with 3 bedroom and 2 toilet and bath. So this is the master's bedroom. And this is the aircon na kung saan pwede po kayong mag-install window type aircon. So we're going to bedroom 1. This is bedroom 1. Okay, this one. So lahat po ng bedroom is meron pong dalawang outlet. Okay. And then bedroom 2. So for example, ang family is, there is 5 members of the family at yung anak po, may isang anak na babae o lalaki, tas isang baby yan. Kasyang-kasya pa po ang up to 5 members ng family, no? Parents, tsaka yung 3 anak, kasya po dito sa Macy. And then this is the bathroom again. Same pa rin po yung kanyang features. Bukod po dito sa bathroom na to, meron po tayong entry dito para for example, meron po tayo kailangang i-repair sa ating mga electrical wiring. Ito po yung pinaka-entrance. Ganun din po yun sa baba. Meron din po siyang entrance dun sa may bathroom. For example, meron mga kailangang i-repair. So, meron po yung entrance. And, inuulit ko po ulit, ang mga outlet po ng bawat room, meron po tayong 2 outlet. So, ito po yung kabuuan ng deliverable unit ng Macy Model Unit. At sa susunod naman, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ba i-dress up ang isang 67 square meter. Marami po kasing nagtatanong, paano kung magkakasya sa 67 square meter? So, mamaya, papakita ko po sa inyo yan. Excited na ba kayo na makita ang dress-up unit ng Macy Model? Tara, pasok tayo! So, this is the dressed-up unit. Kung makikita ninyo, ang laki na na-improve. So, kailangan lang talaga ng right design and color and proper lighting and also yung proper arrangement ng mga furnitures. Magagawa nyo na tumira sa isang 67 square meter na bahay. So, this is the living room na pwede dito na magbasa or manood kayo ng favorite na mga movies ninyo. Okay, for the dining area, kaya po niya i-accommodate ang 6 person. As you can see, ito po ang example ng setup for the dining table. So, it's 6-seater. And for the kitchen, ito po yung naging improvement. So, additional is we have the modular cabinet on top, and then the ref, and then dito naman kung saan kayo magluluto, and this is the range hood. And then, naglagay pa sila ng isang malaking glass wall para magkaroon ng illusion na malaki yung bahay. So, malaki din talaga ang nagagawa ng glass. And then, in this part, ginawa nilang display area or bookshelf area, and pwede naman na gawin na to na study area. And this is the improvement, no? Pag nagpa-improve kayo ng bathroom, nilalagyan na siya ng glass partition and wooden cabinet. So, let's proceed to the second floor. So, going to the second floor, for example, meron kayo nagpe-paint kayo or mahilig sa art ang mga anak ninyo. Ayan, pwede kayo mag-display dito or yung mga certificates or medals ng family mo or ng mga anak mo, pwede mo siyang ilagay dito. Okay, so pakita ko sa inyo yung hallway papunta sa master's bedroom. So, this is the master's bedroom. Ito yung closet. And then, this is the bedroom. Okay. This is the window. Okay. And then, for the bedroom 2, for example, meron kayong anak na lalaki, ito naman yung para sa kanya. So, nakaset up siya na talagang pang boy talaga. So, this is the cabinet. So, dahil small yung room, para magkaroon ng illusion na malaki yung space, naglagay sila ng glass. Ito siya. This is the mini study area and then the bed. Okay, let's proceed to the girls' room. Ayan, the bedroom number 2. So kung ang family meron namang babae na anak, ito po yung bedroom. So again, cabinets again, and then with glassed wall, and then the bed, and then the study area. Okay, and this is the bathroom number 2. So you have now the idea on how you will decorate or dress up your 67 square meter. So, papakita ko naman sa inyo next ang magiging amenities ng Southdale Settings to Valley. Tara! So, as of February 2025, ito na po yung ginagawang amenity area ng Southdale. So, it is made up of 1 hectare of amenity areas. And you can see naman po, ginagawa na po yung mga bahay doon sa mga client po na bumili ng property. What is the view of this subdivision is has a view of Tagaytay Ridge, and at that part naman po is the view of Mount Makiling. The future amenity area of Southdale Settings is clubhouse, adult and kiddie swimming pools, basketball court, children's park, and playground. It is designed for convenience and accessibility to shopping malls and supermarkets like Solenad 1, 2, and 3, and ongoing Solenad 4, Uniqlo Roadside Store, SM Yulo Premier, Vista Mall, and Paseo de Santa Rosa. For supermarkets, we have Landmark, SNR, and Lander Superstore. For the nearby hospitals, we have Healthway Medical Center and the Medical City South Luzon. For staycation and leisure activities, we have Seda Hotel, jogging trails, bike trails, picnic grounds, beach volleyball republic venue, and driving range for golf enthusiasts, and koi fish feeding for families and kids. Home of the best schools just minutes away. We have Xavier School Novali, Miriam College, San Sebastian College, Everest Academy, UST, and Lasal Canlubang. Ano bang advantage pag nag-invest ako sa Southdale Settings to Valley? You will enjoy urban lifestyle surrounded by beauty of nature. So if you are interested, you can contact me at 0945-317-9368, or you can email me at shayantamang@gmail.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Again, mga ka-home friends, thank you for watching!